Hey everybody, this is DIYer Gregory. I have a little thing I'm doing today. It's nothing scripted. I just thought I'd maybe share what I'm doing today. A little bit about this channel. I have this ability or this knack or hobby that I can see something, well, oh, I can make that, and sure enough I can do it. So right now I have a tent that we bought, and the top of it got ripped a couple of weeks ago from a heavy wind. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify this and make it sort of like a Tiki Hut since we live here in South Florida. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse and you see what I'm making. So let's go. So there you have it. It's a modified Tiki Hut, Florida style. Already this is February and we're already getting spring-like weather, so we enjoy the outside, the outdoors. So I'm sure this is something I had to change in a couple months, but it was just something that just kind of threw together. And pretty much anybody can do this. It just takes a few minutes if you have a palm tree. All right, well, you guys have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.